Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Today I am finally back with another PUBG battery and test video on the POCO X3 device. So I did the same kind of PUBG battery and test but with different conditions using the Wi-Fi condition and 50% brightness. But in this video, in this test, I'll be choosing with the 4G data mobile data connection and with 100% brightness. And this time I'll be choosing with the smooth and extreme, not with the HDR. So I'll try to do another video as well on the HDR and extreme, which is already ready. So I'll try to upload after this video, maybe tomorrow, I think so. So stay tuned for more interesting videos on the POCO X3 device. And in case if you want to know what wallpaper I'm using for this kind of perfect punch hole wallpapers, specially designed for this kind of punch holes, so try to check the video recently which I uploaded. So if you cannot find there, try to find the playlist for the wallpapers. So you can find so many interesting videos in the wallpaper playlist, as you can see here. Plenty of other smartphone wallpapers. So let's get back into this PUBG battery test video which I'm talking about. So right now I'm using the POCO X3 model, you can see here. And let me disable the Wi-Fi connection and let me enable the mobile data as well. And mobile data is turned on, and I'll be choosing with 100% brightness, and no auto brightness turned on, so no auto brightness also turned off, as you can clearly see. So even the battery percentage is also gone to 100%, as you can clearly see, friends. And let me start doing the temperature reading before. One thing to remember is that my surrounding ambient temperature is quite low right now at the moment. So let's see whether with the 4G data we will be able to hit that kind of 40 degrees mark or not. So I won't be spectating, or I won't be running in the game. I'll be continuously playing this game, because that was the another request from my users, that don't try to run and try to play the game. So that's why this time I decided to spend my next 5 to 6 hours continuously on this PUBG gaming only, friends. So definitely make sure to like, and this video like target will be close to 2000 likes. I know it's quite more, but still I know you will be able to reach that 2000 likes. So make sure that like this video, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making so many videos for on each and every smartphone, especially for the POCO X3. I'm trying to do as much as I can before the flash sale. You need to know so many things about this smartphone. And let's get started with this PUBG game. One thing is that you need to use the GFX tool before playing with smooth and extreme, because by default the phone doesn't support with the smooth and extremes. And before doing that, let me show you what FPS refresh rate I'm using. Let me use the 60 refresh rate. So that is another advantage. And there is a inbuilt FPS monitor meter available in the POCO X3 device. Even I did a video on that one as well, how to enable that inbuilt FPS meter. So let me try to enable that one. So this is how it was supposed to look, guys. The inbuilt FPS meter, as you can see here. So this I was using in the POCO F2 Pro device, but I am not sure what happened. There is some error it's displaying right now. I was unable to use, but still I'll give it a try using this inbuilt FPS monitor. So maybe this was a problem with my unit, I think so, in the POCO X3 device. But usually it should be displaying like this kind of option, 60 FPS and everything, as you can see here. But at least you can actually see the real-time FPS count as well by using this kind of method. And one thing is that a few of the users, they did ask me whether I am using the global variant or the Indian variant, what is the battery it has got. So battery capacity right now I'm using is global variant 5160 mAh of battery, and you can expect in the Indian variant 6000 mAh of battery you can get more than this, maybe close to 40 minutes or 40 to 1 hour you can expect more gaming from these details. So let me show you what are the settings I am using. As you can clearly see, I'm using smooth and extreme settings, and colorful as well, as you can see here. So let me try to focus again. So because of this error, I'm getting this kind of big window. Otherwise I would have got this kind of small window which is present inbuilt FPS monitor. So I don't want to use any other third-party applications for the FPS monitor. And I've connected the earphones as well, as you can see here. So earphones are plugged in as well, and full brightness is set, and Wi-Fi disconnected, only the mobile data is on. And let me begin the game by disconnecting the charger. I forgot to keep the stopwatch, so let me turn on the stopwatch right now. So here is the stopwatch from the TikTok here, as you can see. Let me begin the test and disconnect the cable. As you can see here, the stopwatch has been started, and let me try to show you the temperatures before the game. 28-30 degrees. So it started to increase a little bit. So again I'll be back exactly after 1 hour of continuously playing this game, and let's see how much the battery can actually drain in this. So I'll be disabling this FPS monitor after some time just to demonstrate what is the FPS. So that's why I did turn on this at the moment. So right now you can see here friends, it's a real-time FPS. In this way you will be able to see. So instead of top one, you can use this kind of big FPS meter. So this changes real time as well. As you can see right now it decreased to 58 and 59. So as I said, this was supposed to be present this kind of small option, so which is inbuilt FPS meter, but due to some errors it was behaving like this. I did try to factory reset completely about this, but still it did not work. So maybe if you have any idea about this one, how to fix, do comment below. I'll try to solve the solution. So let me try to disable this one for time being. Again I'll be showing that FPS meter count after 1 hour. So for every 1 hour I'll try to show you the what is the FPS it's maintaining regularly. So overall in this mode I won't be using any of the enhancement mode as well. So there is different modes available: saturated, brightness, eye brightness and saturated. So there are so many modes right now available, but I will be choosing with the normal mode only. So maybe in the next PUBG battery and test I'll try to choose with the high settings, high saturated and high brightness mode. So the volume is set to the 50% volume in using the earphones. So during this test, as I said, I'll be continuously playing the PUBG game only. I won't spectate. I'll keep on playing the game. So make sure to like, and let's reach that 2000 like mark range for this video. So let me try to show you the, at least this FPS meter, how much you are getting. So let me try to zoom in clearly. 60 FPS. So this is the only drawback for this kind of FPS meter, which is very small in these POCO and Redmi phones. Really don't like at all. So when you compare with the Realme phones, they are pretty good in terms of displaying the real-time FPS meter. So that is what I did like over there. And let me try to show you the CPU and GPU performance, how they are behaving right now with a full brightness and the mobile data turn on. You can see CPU and GPU 36, 37 and 60 FPS. So let's see friends, this is the first time I'm doing this kind of 100% brightness using this 4G mobile data turned on. So let's see how long I will be able to play this game here. So even there is a voice changer option present in the POCO X3 device. I did a video on that one as well in terms of the voice changing and everything. So do check that videos, and don't forget to follow me regularly for more updates regarding the battery and everything regarding this phone. So there are so many other features you need to know before buying this device. Definitely friends. And again I will be back after 1 hour of continuously playing this PUBG game, and let's see how long this phone can actually last with a full 100% and 4G data connection during this test. As you can see friends, it's been exactly a 1 hour of continuously playing the PUBG game here. So right now you can see it's 1 hour, and after 1 hour even I'm getting the same kind of frame rate, 60 FPS. So first thing let me try to do is that let me go to the battery settings and let me try to show you what is the battery percentage. As you can see 81% it got down, so 81%. And now let me check the temperature reading. So this with the 4G data, as I expected, the 4G data, the temperature is pretty high. 41 degrees it got recorded just now somewhere around here. So 41 as you can see here. And let me check the back side as well. Back side is kind of 36 and 34. So total of 41 degrees got increased for the first 1 hour only, and this is a default FPS meter I'm using right now. So due to some error it's not displaying properly, but 81% of the battery drain and 41 degrees. And let me see friends, how much the battery can actually the temperature can increase using this kind of 4G data. And I'm trying to play the game as well. Meanwhile, I'm not running, I am not spectating at all. I'm trying to play the game as much as I can because this was the most requested. Even I thought playing the game will be a different scenario in terms of temperature and everything. Even it impacts the battery as well. So these are for the first 1 hour statistics overall friends, and for the next hour I'll try to record after 1 more hour. So let's see in the 2 hours how much the battery can actually decrease. So due to this 4G data connection, the battery is draining a lot, I can say definitely. Again, I'll be back after 1 more hour. Let's see in the 2 hours how much the battery will decrease in the POCO X3 device. So as you can see friends, it's been exactly 2 hours of continuously playing this PUBG game, and let me show what is the battery percentage at the moment here in this game. So I can see that definitely the heating so much is going on in the backside and front side as well. As you can see, after 2 hours of 4G data and with 100% brightness, the battery dropped to 59 degrees. As you can clearly see here, 59 degrees at the moment. 59%, sorry, not degrees, my bad. And it's 43 degrees. So let me try to enable the, as you can see, 43 degrees also got recorded somewhere, 43.3 you can see here. So 43 degrees on the front side, and on the back side, let me try to show you how much it is. 40 degrees. So 40. So 43 on the front and 40 on the back. Right now I can definitely feel that kind of heat here in the POCO X3 device at the moment. And as I said, I am using with the 4G data connection and with full brightness mode. The chances of battery getting drained is very fast, and even the temperature also will increase very fast in this kind of scenario. This is the extreme temperature and stress test you can consider in this is a kind of third kind of review here. So this is not just the battery drain review, this is also considered as a stress test as well, because in this video you're using everything as up to the maximum, even the brightness, even the 4G data connection as well, everything is set to the maximum. And at this rate you're getting the FPS count close to, as you can see, 60 FPS. And GPU CPU performance also you can keep an eye over there. It's close to 20%, 45 and 60 overall GPU CPU and FPS. You can see clearly all the readings over there. Again, I'll be back after next 1 hour. I think so the phone won't be lost more than maybe 4 hours, I guess. If this trend continues in terms of the discharging rate, I can definitely feel as well. And one more thing, because of the phone is very heat and the phone is also very heavy, so you will feel a little bit kind of uncomfortable in playing this kind of games for very long time. So this is what another thing you need to note down while playing this kind of PUBG game, intensity game for long continuous straight hours. You will definitely feel this kind of heaviness, and while because of this heat as well, you'll feel uncomfortable. So again, I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see in the 3 hours how much the battery can actually decrease. As I said, during this time I won't be spectating, I'll be playing the game continuously using my hands only. I won't be running at all. So I'm trying to utilize the maximum time. So make sure to like this video, and definitely that like target is up to I think 2000 like target. So make sure let's reach that target. And again, I'll be back after 3 hours. As you can see, friends, it's been constantly playing for about I think 3 hours continuously. So without even giving a break, I'm continuously playing. I'm not trying to just run, I'm constantly trying to play to make sure that this test is done in perfect scenario as well. And with full brightness and 4G data, let's see after 3 hours how much the battery must have decreased right now. As you can see, 35 battery percentage is there at the moment, you can clearly see. And one thing is that I did notice there's a huge amount of difference in terms of temperature as well. So the mobile is still close to 42.43 degrees, you can see here, 44 as well. So 44 degrees, 44.5 and 45 degrees. So there is a 45 degree temperature which got recorded on the top area, 45. As I said, the 4G and full brightness, there is a perfect combination for the phone to get completely heat as well. 46, even 50 at the corner as well, somewhere around here, 46 as well. 47 degrees, as you can see, friends. So overall the temperature is pretty high in the top area near the camera part. So this is where I feel most of the heat is. So right now the highest recorded temperature is close to 47, that kind of temperature, and battery dropped to the 35 degrees, sorry, 35 percentage. So this is kind of confusing for me every time. So let me try to continue play the same game continuously. I won't skip at all. I'll try to play the game only. So let's see, friends, how much the battery can increase in terms of the temperatures. But definitely this right now, even my ambient temperature and surrounding temperature is pretty low a little bit, but still the phone is heating up. Just imagine if you are playing this kind of game in the summer and where the surrounding temperature is high, then this phone might end up having temperature close to 50 degrees. This with the 4G data and full brightness connection, that is another thing you need to remember, 4G and full brightness. And again I'll be back after 4 hours. So let's see whether this phone actually can survive till 4 hours mark or not. You can see, friends, it's been exactly 4 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game using the 4G and the full brightness mode. So let me try to show you the how much is the battery percent. So as you can see, battery percent, it's 11 percentage right now. You can clearly see it is getting very close to 0. So right now let me write down the battery percentage. Before that, let me check the temperatures as well. As I said, the temperature started to increase gradually. So 46, 47.8. I can see the temperature 47. Complete phone, front side, everywhere it's above 40. So I cannot see below 40 anywhere around the complete phone, as you can see, friends. So I'm trying to show you each and every aspect of this phone where the battery temperature can be high. 47.5, 47 is the maximum recorded temperature. Even the back side is kind of same scenario, 41, 40. So overall the 47 was the highest recorded temperature, sometimes 48 as well. So let me write down the readings. So finally, after 4 hours of continuously playing with the full brightness, 11% battery, and 47 is the temperature highest it got recorded. I think so it can only last maybe more than 20 minutes, I guess. That's it. So again I'll be back after 20 minutes. At this point I can see the difference in terms of the frame rates as well. It's keep on dropping. There is a little bit of lag as well while playing when the battery is below 10 percentage. As you can see, it's decreased to the 34 FPS. You can clearly see the frame rates as well, 34 FPS and 36 FPS. You can see how it is. So I'll try to continue still the game just to test the battery, how much long this is gonna last. But this is not playable at all. So this, you feel so much of lag while playing this game. So again I'll be back after a few minutes, friends. Until the battery gets close to 2%, I can record the video at that time. So right now, friends, the battery got dropped to the 4%, and at this kind of below 5%, it's very deadly slow while playing this PUBG game, and it's not suitable at all for playing the PUBG game below 5%. So I decided to drop the test here itself, showing you the what is the battery percent at this moment. As you can see, 4%. So overall, as a round figure, I'll consider the time of 4 hours and close to 20 minutes. So 4 hours 20 minutes you can actually play with the using with the 4G mobile data and with 100% brightness. So this is the overall conclusion of this battery drain test by playing the PUBG game in this POCO X3 device. So for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And after 4 hours and 20 minutes of playing, the phone is got very much heat. As you can see, the temperature close to 45 degrees. Definitely, friends, after using the 4G data and full brightness, you can actually feel the heat on the screen as well after a long time usage. I know it's not suitable for everyday playing like this with full screen, full brightness and with 4G data. At least you need to use a little bit kind of less brightness for this more PUBG gameplay, but at least for this kind of stress test, I decided to do this kind of maximum utilization, so you know how much the battery gonna last. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly for latest updates, and see you in the next video, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to like this video as well, and our target like this video is close to 2000. So I know you guys will be helping a lot. So definitely see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.